seat confusion at the airport.
Excuse me, I need some help with my airplane seat.
Of course, I can help you with that.
My boarding pass shows seat 18A, but I think there is a problem.
Let me check your boarding pass and flight details.
Thank you. I was a little confused when I saw the seat number.
I understand. Let me look at the information.
I hope there is no big problem.
Do not worry, I will check everything carefully.
Here is my boarding pass and passport.
Thank you. I found your reservation in the system.
Is my seat still available?
Yes, your seat is available, but there was a small change.
What kind of change happened?
Your seat number was updated because of a plane change.
Oh, I did not know about that.
The new seat number is 22A.
Is it a window seat like my old one?
Yes, it is still a window seat.
That is good. I really enjoy looking outside.
I understand. Many passengers like window seats.
Do I need a new boarding pass?
Yes, I will print a new one for you.
Thank you for helping me so quickly.
You're welcome. Here is your updated boarding pass.
Let me check it. Yes, it says 22A now.
Great. Your seat problem is solved.
I was worried because this is my first flight.
Many new travelers feel the same way.
Do you know where my gate is?
Your gate is number B12, near the security area.
How long do I have before boarding?
You have about 40 minutes before boarding starts.
That is enough time. Thank you.
You're welcome. Please arrive at the gate early.
I will. I do not want to miss my flight.
Good idea. Keep your boarding pass ready.
I will remember that. Thank you for your help today.
It was my pleasure. Have a safe and comfortable flight.
Thank you. I feel much better now.
You're welcome. Enjoy your journey.
Have a great day.
Thank you. Have a great trip too. Requesting a refund.
Good morning. I need some help with a refund request.
Good morning. I can help you with that.
I bought a product from your store last week.
I understand. What seems to be the problem?
The product does not work as I expected.
I am sorry to hear that. Can you tell me more?
The item arrived, but it has a problem.
I see. Do you still have the receipt?
Yes, I have the receipt with me.
Great. May I see your order number?
Yes, here is my order information.
Thank you. Let me check your purchase details.
Is it possible to get a refund?
Yes, you can request a refund for this item.
That is good. I would like to return it.
No problem. We will help you with the return.
What do I need to do first?
First, please bring the product back to our store.
Do I need to bring the original package?
Yes, please include the package and all parts.
How long does the refund process take?
It usually takes 5 to 7 business days.
Will the money return to my card?
Yes, it will go back to your original payment method.
That sounds easy. Thank you.
You're welcome. We want to make this process simple.
I was worried it would be difficult.
Do not worry. We will guide you step by step.
Can I return the product today?
Yes, you can return it anytime during business hours.
Great. I will bring it this afternoon.
Perfect. Please bring your receipt too.
I will remember that.
Thank you for your cooperation.
I hope I can buy another product later.
Of course, we will be happy to help you again.
Thank you for answering my questions.
You're welcome. I'm glad I could help.
Your customer service is very helpful.
Thank you. We always try to support our customers.
I feel better about my refund now.
I am happy to hear that.
Thank you for your time today.
You're welcome. Have a wonderful day.
Have a great day too.
Thank you. Goodbye. Talking to a nurse.
Good morning. I would like to talk to a nurse.
Good morning. I am the nurse today. How can I help you?
I have not been feeling well since yesterday.
I am sorry to hear that. What symptoms do you have?
I have a headache and a little fever.
I see. When did your headache start?
It started yesterday afternoon.
Have you taken any medicine for it?
No, I have not taken anything yet.
Okay, let me check your temperature first.
Sure, thank you for helping me.
Your temperature is a little high, but it is not serious.
That is good to hear.
Have you been drinking enough water?
I think I need to drink more water.
Drinking water can help your body feel better.
Should I get more rest?
Yes, you should rest and avoid too much activity.
Is there anything else I should do?
Try to eat healthy food and sleep well.
How long will it take to feel better?
It depends, but you may feel better in a few days.
I understand. Thank you for explaining.
You're welcome. I will also check your blood pressure.
Okay, please check it.
Your blood pressure looks normal.
That is a relief.
Do you have any other pain or problems?
No, I only have a headache and fever.
That is good. Please watch your symptoms.
When should I come back?
Come back if your fever gets worse.
I will remember that.
Also, call the clinic if you have serious problems.
Thank you for your advice.
You're welcome. We want you to feel better soon.
I appreciate your help today.
It is my pleasure. Take care of yourself.
I will. Thank you for your kindness.
You are welcome. Have a healthy day.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Take care.
Visiting a furniture store.
Good morning. I am looking for some furniture for my home.
Good morning. Welcome. I would be happy to help you.
Thank you. I need a few new items.
Of course. What kind of furniture are you looking for?
I need a new sofa for my living room.
We have many sofas in different styles and sizes.
I want something comfortable and simple.
This sofa is very popular with our customers.
It looks nice. Is it comfortable?
Yes, it has soft cushions and strong material.
That sounds good. How much does it cost?
This sofa is $800.
It is a little expensive for my budget.
We also have some cheaper options.
Great. I would like to see them.
This smaller sofa is more affordable.
I like the color. It matches my home.
It is also easy to clean and very durable.
That is important because I have a busy life.
This sofa would be a good choice for you.
I think so. I also need a small table.
We have coffee tables in this section.
This wooden table looks beautiful.
It is made from strong wood and lasts many years.
How much is this table?
It is $200.
That price works for me.
Great. Would you like to see some chairs too?
Yes, I need 2 chairs for my living room.
These chairs are comfortable and match the table.
They look perfect together.
We can also help with home delivery.
That would be very helpful.
Our team can deliver and set up the furniture.
Wonderful. How long does delivery take?
Usually, it takes 3 to 5 days.
That is fine. I can wait.
Would you like to order these items today?
Yes, I think I found what I need.
Great choice. I will prepare your order.
Thank you for your help today.
You're welcome. I hope you enjoy your new furniture.